Welcome to this lovely day and episode 26, and great, this idiot totally killed the mood. Thanks for that. However though, the mood really isn't the most problematic thing those people could potentially kill.
Alter Falter, ey. Nehmt diesen Leuten den Lappen weg.
The road is mine alone, nobody to worry about.
Hey, hey! Jetzt hat sie die blöde.
Einfach rübergezogen.
Ja. Kannst du mal sehen,
Das war
wa?
knapp.
Really lovely and calm landscape, isn't that beautiful? But the road is pretty narrow, you gotta be careful around there. Even though vehicles are not permitted to use this street in the other direction, it's really helpful to be observant.
Also was es alles für dämliche Kalender gibt.
Digga, holy shit.
That guy shouldn't be driving here, but anyway, attentive driving saves the day.
Das sind
Just a relaxing parking spot in the greens, nothing much that could happen here. Just have a good burger in the car, enjoy the sun and the clear spring air and have some... Well, that came unexpected. I don't want to be too negative, but it kinda looks like a very incompetent driver again, because you can see the car make a sudden jump as if brakes and gas got mixed up. End of story are three damaged cars and a whole damage of almost 20,000 bucks. Somebody better not be driving. But anyway, do you know who's back? It's your majesty again. It doesn't matter if your majesty can see the road ahead because it is the duty of all the peasants to not interfere with any motion of the royal vehicle. And those... Nah, they are no majesties. They are just ignorant and selfish.
Ihr seid so dusselig, ganz ehrlich, da kommt ein LKW und oh, jawohl.
The sun! It's so bright! Oh, that's better. Whoa! What the hell happened here?
Hey,
Well, looks like those two cyclists were cut off by this car coming from the side road. And they were so angry about it that they almost ran into our car. Little sad clip from the Netherlands, 4 lovely lanes, and this numbskull is unable to drag his corpse onto the right lane. Same thing here, right lane is lava, but you know, at least cops are smarter than this, right? Right? My disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined. I hope you were listening to me in those videos so far. What did we learn? Your Majesty has always right of way, and it doesn't matter that you're on the main road. Got that, Red Golf? And be aware that your Majesty can also be on foot. You did very well, Max. Decapitation was successfully averted. You should never dare to honk at your Majesty. Alright, that's enough of your Majesty for today. And yup, you got a yield sign there. So, I'm wondering what kind of car Mini Leon is actually driving, because a short while later... Looks like he is an actor, because that was a proper dramatic full stop. Or he was so heavily annoyed that his foot was stuck to the brake pedal. Yeah, damn it. Too bad I'm out of my allowance for Majesty jokes, because red lights certainly don't count for them. Woohoo! Your height is incoming! Well, that scooter driver kept it as calm as it gets. He might be used to that. This car doesn't seem to have the best headlights. Maybe it would be an idea to check if they're— Oh my goodness! You gotta be f***ing kidding! No, those headlights aren't so bad that the other person just didn't see them. He's just driving in a very ignorant manner, and he's very lucky that Layla was paying attention and not slamming into the side of this car, otherwise he would not have made it at home that evening. This driver gotta be like, "Oh, my neck hurts from the weight of my incredible brain. I better don't turn my head for checking the mirror." This video file was called Double Trouble. I might have rather called it Double Dumbasses.
Tempo hoch. Rechts, links geguckt. Und durch. Was, ich dachte, er hat Helm auf, er hat Warnweste an, er hält sich an die Straßenverkehrsregeln.
Ja, ich glaube eher, er hat aus Erfahrung Helm und Warnweste an, damit man ihn sieht, wenn er sich nicht dran hält.
Yeah, bikers and red lights, it's a weird relationship. Let's hope the music in this clip doesn't give some kind of foreshadowing. Those bad, evil bikers breaking the rules like car drivers would never do. Especially not a little bus containing children like this one. Never! It almost seems like some people don't take lights in roadwork zones for serious. Here we got a proper green light, yet somebody is coming towards us ignoring his guaranteed red light like a boss. Big vehicles and blind spots are a really problematic story, for which such drivers usually gotta be especially cautious. Well, this bus driver seemingly didn't get the memo and just pulled out in front of us without acknowledging his serious blind spot. I don't know, it can't be that hard. I still remember my own first time I drove a closed van with a huge blind spot, and I did take care of changing lanes slowly while checking mirrors, and it paid off. Somebody was right next to me and I saw him just in time because moving over very carefully. But this weirdo here certainly did not have a blind spot and just pulled out of the bus stop either without checking mirrors at all or just not giving a crap that a car is almost next to him. This is not a good bus driver, and this move could have already killed his license. Little car has obstacle on its side and makes space for oncoming traffic. Oh, good one. But why is it instantly moving out again to then almost bump radiators as right another car was there? Is common sense a new drug that nobody can afford, or what is it? I wonder if those patience pills are cheaper than those common sense drugs. Well, issue clarified, I guess. Yeah, those pills should be coming with every car these days, because people seem to always be in a hurry. What else could be a reason for this guy to be speeding along those trucks? And that's not all. He is quickly approaching a red light, and spoiler, he's not wasting too many thoughts about that one. Admit it, you wanted this vehicle to be a squad car. I did. This looks kind of familiar. Nope, saw it coming. No new pants this time. Alright, so what do we have here? Oh, there seems to be some kind of blanket flapping around on this truck. And there it goes. It doesn't look like much, but Rob did the right thing and informed the cops about this thing now laying on the freeway, so that they will go and pick it up. It's only a small danger for cars, but a very serious issue for motorbikers. I am also a motorbiker, but usually preferring to ride the bicycle instead. Who wants to take a loan for being able to afford a full tank of gas anyway? Cycling is free, and here I am riding around Munich, getting pissed off at people simply abandoning those goddamn scooters for rent wherever they like. It's goddamn annoying, but I still like this behavior loads better than this human garbage that throws those things into rivers and lakes. Okay, we crossed the finish line for today again, and I want to go out for another ride. Remember to devote another 10 minutes of your life to one more video of ours. It's certainly better than TV. And when you're done watching, you should also go for a bike ride. Winter's finally over and I want to enjoy the sun. Oh.